Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tools channel. In today's video, I will introduce you to the automatic comment by keyword feature of the Instagram automation software. This is the software interface where we will select the viral marketing section and then select the comment by hashtag option. This feature allows you to comment based on preset hashtags, ensuring that you target the right audience for your business. You will input the comment content here using the spin structure, and if desired, you can integrate ChatGPT's API for more dynamic responses. After that, you'll configure some settings, like the number of accounts to run simultaneously, the number of comments you want, and input the hashtags. Each hashtag should be on a separate line. Once everything is set up, click Start, and the software will automatically comment according to your preferences. Watch how the software operates. If you need any further information, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The contact details are pinned in the comments section. Thank you for watching.